My thermostat AC button is inoperative. The little clip attached to the AC blue button is broken. Can it be repaired without purchasing a new one? It's a Carrier Infinity model #SysQ01B.
When did you last replace the air filter for your Carrier air conditioner? Are the air vents unblocked?
My HVAC works fine. The issue is only that the broken/missing little clip on the blue button on the wall thermostat.
How long has this been going on with your Carrier air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Again, my question is, can the thermostat button be repaired without replacing the thermostat?
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
They do not sell replacement parts. Best bet would be to look for a used on eBay and get the clip from it. https://www.ebay.com/ib/carrier infinity SysQ01B programmable digital thermostat /28382979239 EPID equals 842990126 and # item 421592E8DGE ALSO 5 BIF 0 pp. https://www.ebay.com/ib/not working Carrier Infinity thermostat SysQ01B/1435553866512 # item 216 C915 C90 G Laralswo 2 Bez 7 Co. Hi, just checking in to see how things are going. Question still shows as open as you did not leave rating. Do you need further assistance?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.